Let কেটামান লাগিব Okay, so we are back from the trip. So it was a nice, memorable trip.
Right. Hello. So this trip is almost over. We are actually reaching towards our houses, right?
Yes.
And yeah, we have one more vehicle coming in the back. Vigas family, Sir Vigas family is back
Right.
now. Sir, how do you find this car?
Sir, he could have asked.
If I tell you, you won't be natural, right? Hello.
We are
Hi.
having a wonderful trip.
Yes.
To Bokajan.
So I am with Ma'am Vindhya and Sir Rubanga, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So there's
We
a
have
group center. CRPF group center is there.
Group center here.
CRPF.
Central Reserve Police Force.
This is the CRPF gate.
Right.
Kakati Assam.
Katkati, right.
Kakati Assam.
Right. Katkati.
And
This is the market.
now we have just entered the market
Yes.
area. Now we are heading towards
Bokajan.
Bokajan.
Right.
There you will find some nice place to hang out.
Yes, right.
Right. We will hopefully find some nice places.
Right.
It's actually Assam is known for the tea plantations, right?
Right.
And I hope we will also find some tea plantations nearby the roads, right?
Yes. You have just crossed some actually on the left and right.
Oh,
Just after crossing that Nagaland gate.
oh, I see. But hopefully we will also figure out some other places. I guess, yeah.
Right.
Especially after this lockdown and all,
Right.
we are going to have some fresh air or some breathing time.
Right. It will be a nice break.
Yeah, we really deserve some breathing time.
Right.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I agree.
First time I'm driving a Ford. Escort. No, sorry,
And
Ford,
sir, you are also first time driving to Assam.
No, I have driven before.
Sir Rubanga, Vindhya ma'am, and father.
Papa.
Papa.
Hi.
Yeah. So Sir Rubanga's family actually, right?
Right.
Yeah, Rubanga's father and Vindhya ma'am. So we are actually going for an outing for the first time actually. In that sense, this is going to be more exciting and
Right. Hope to have an enjoyable time.
yeah, very right, very true. On the way, but this area is actually known as Animals Corridor, where animals used to cross the road.
Yes. Right. Small animals mostly, and of course, I think bigger animals you might find elephants.
Even elephants, right?
Yeah.
Elephants.
Yes.
Right.
Elephants,
So-
small animals.
Yeah, so this particular location, this location is actually something that is known as Animal Corridor.
Right. And you'll find places like this along the road, even further down the road.
And you suddenly on the way you may find a deer or an elephant.
Deer may be unlikely, but the elephant definitely is
Elephant will be
90%
there.
probability.
Yeah. Maybe nighttime some animals might pop up, right?
Yes.
But since it's a daytime, we don't find.
Now it is right now it is unlikely.
It's quite unlikely, and we are not likely to find any animals.
Yes, yes.
Assam type thatched houses are available now.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Different type of constructing huts. Right. Right in front of us there is one truck
Yes.
which
We are not overtaking right now.
which we do not want to overtake right now.
Yes, yes.
We will
Slow and easy.
we will let him drive right in front of us.
Right. Let him take his own sweet time.
Yeah.
So that side, if you see Bokazan factory, there cement smoke is coming out. Cement factory.
Oh, right. There is a smoke. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah.
Then there's overhead.
Yeah.
What do you call?
There is an overhead.
That lift sort of ropeway is there through which they transfer the limestone. You can see
Oh,
up there
okay.
that one. You can even see that the trolley.
There is a trolley. There is a trolley through which they transport the limestone, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Stop.
So we are going to stop here, right here.
You can see that ropeway through which they transfer the limestone from nearby around 35 kilometers maybe.
Right.
Inside the factory is very dusty. In the sense, a lot of cement will be there inside the factory. So they, in this area, I guess the factory distributes what is it, jaggery.
Jaggery.
Yeah, that you are supposed to eat it on a daily basis, so that your heart is healthy. So the workers, all the employees, I guess they are given that jaggery by the authorities.
Jaggery is a food item.
Not food item, it's a purifier. It purifies your blood.
Blood.
Right.
Oh, it's a chemical. What?
Jaggery, sugar cane, I mean like...
Oh, like sugar cane.
yeah,
Something.
from the sugar cane you make the jaggery.
Jaggery. Oh,
What is
right.
in gur, I think you say gur in Hindi.
Huggur.
Gur, right.
All right.
এটা খুলি দিয়া এই মার্কটা খুলি দিয়া চিনি নেব ওরকম পুরি চিনি নেব
একটা ফুলাই ফেলাই দিছে।
নলে চিনি নেব মনে কোন আছে
How do you find this car?
This is very nice car. Like it is personal view. We got some reviews also, good reviews. As of now, we do not find any bad reviews about Swift. So we simply walk for it.
Right,
And
right,
moreover,
right.
it is Maruti.
Maruti,
made
right?
in India. Go for India.
Okay, so ma'am, Darshan is very happy with the car, right?
You can see her excitement.
Oh, right. This is typical excitement, right?
Yes, we're really excited. All of you are gathered together.
Yeah.
Excitement.
So we are all excited. We are actually having an outing too. What is that exact place we are going?
It will be Bokazan, just beyond Bokazan.
Bokazan, right? All right.
Just to take a cup of tea.
Yeah. Because that tea is very delicious. Very precious.
We also heard about that.
Yeah.
If you can talk in, you can even enter inside and see the factory and come. We brought our students for industrial visit
I
here.
think twice we brought.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that was Bokazan's
Bokazan is a
cement
CCI,
factory.
Cement factory, right.
And we already saw the smoke coming up from the
Yes.
furnace, right?
Right.
Yeah. And the limestone, we also find an overhead.
Trolley.
Overhead trolley, yeah.
Ropeway,
Okay.
having a trolley.
So Assam is known for so many industries, right?
Yes, but more so it is known for oil and tea.
Yeah, but Assam is mainly known for its tea leaves.
Yeah,
It's
oil and also that one-horned rhino.
rhino, right?
Rhinoceros.
Yeah, rhinoceros are also there in Assam.
Right.
And but when you read English fictions and all,
Right.
Assam tea is always mentioned,
It is famous.
famous in outside India,
Outside India, mostly outside India is very famous.
very famous, right? Yeah.
In fact, many of those tea, what you're talking about, world famous tea, not even tasted by the people who plant them.
Oh, I see.
Recently, I think in one auction, I think somewhere in the UK or somewhere, they sold 1 kg for $75,000 or something. Only 1 kg.
Oh, I see.
From some, I think it's green tea or something. So you'll find a lot of varieties.
All right. Which means tea leaves are mainly exported from Assam.
Yes.
And the people who are planting or growing those tea leaves.
Yes. Most of them, they might never have tasted the actual lemon.
Yeah, right.
Came here just for a family outing.
Yeah, very true. Yeah.
Especially just a cup of tea only.
Yeah, just to take.
Is very specific here.
Yeah, right.
We cross nearby the very nice paddy field.
Yeah, this.
Even the rice is also seems like my past experience. I can feel like this rice is also grown very nicely. And this is a specific kind of rice. It's a black in this one. Color is black. So mostly we used to make pitha out of it. This is called bora.
Bora
Dhan.
Bora then.
Bora dhan. So like our that harvesting festival used to be there. That is Magh Bihu. During that time we used to have pitha. Yeah, it's called pitha.
Okay.
Varieties of pithas are there. So but this rice is used. We make various kind of pitha out of this.
All right.
Is mostly used.
Right. Sir Rubangar, you are very happy today. Huh?
Yes, of course. Just like all of us.
Yeah, all of us. But ma'am, Darshana looks very serious. I don't know why. Huh?
No, I'm not. I'm enjoying.
Yeah, right. So, okay. So, now this is selfie time or no? Photoshoot time. Photoshoot.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 generation. We can say 2 generation, young and old generation. Yeah.
Tilted means it is heavy.
Heavy
Means it is nicely grown.
Okay.
We also have our paddy field.
Oh.
My native.
All right.
We used to grow. We used to grow rice. So from my childhood I saw. So that is how we used to identify. It is tilted. That means heavy. Heavy means rice is grown very nicely.
Oh, that subtle differences you will know only if you are a farmer, only if you have a farming experience, right?
Yes.
Right,
My father used to tell me whether you be engineer or doctor or something, but basic knowledge we should have.
Yeah, you should know the soil, that is where you come from, Yeah.
So forcefully he used to send us.
Right.
Go, you learn.
Yeah.
Like that he used to send us.
All right. That's why your body is very fit, sir. You are not affected by corona will visit. Yeah. I already captured that. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So the Panchayat, here you have Panchayat or village council, what?
Now earlier Panchayat, village council is there. Gaubura used to be there earlier.
Yeah.
But nowadays everything is almost converted to Panchayat only.
Panchayat only. Now look at this road. This road is coming just in between 2 paddy fields. And as you can see, this road has a much bigger grip. If you travel, the grip will be much better. And it will be much durable. If it rains,
Yeah, then also it's good.
it is good, right?
You won't slip.
Right. I think the Panchayat people, the local administration here is much wise, much sensible. What was your experience? Your experience of visiting this place?
It's good.
You open your mask. Okay, your good name?
Dhananjay.
So tell me how is your experience visiting this place?
It's good, nice.
Nice. So what did you find here?
So many grass and dangerous garden.
Dangerous garden. Huh? It's a dangerous garden. Huh?
Yes.
Why do you call it dangerous? It's
Because-
just a rice paddy field, right? It is giving us the food, the rice. So
Yes.
why do you want to call it dangerous?
Because I can see it's the grass,
Uh-huh.
but below the grass it's water. So
Oh.
if
If you go there, you will go down. What?
yes,
Oh, you are talking about the mud. Yeah, mud is dangerous, I understand. But grass is not dangerous, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Black is, this is also sometimes we used to make pitha out of it, but the black one is mostly used for our
Pitha.
traditional pitha. Yes.
Uh-huh. So the black one is more nutritious, is it like that?
No, it is very sticky.
Okay,
Black
okay.
one is more sticky.
Okay, the black rice is more sticky,
More sticky.
and whereas the normal one,
Normal one is normal day-to-day rice we used to have, no?
yeah,
Very sticky rice we cannot have, you know.
In your
our dal
day-to-day.
sabzi curry, yeah.
right.
Sticky rice will be used for the pitha only.
Yeah, right.
The ultimate thing is that stickiness.
Yeah. I have also tasted sticky rice in some hotels, in some restaurants. Yeah.
Sticky rice, some people used to tell. Varieties are there. Even Manipur also, different varieties are there. Sticky rice. They used to have it. They are more nutritious. They used to have a regular this also.
All
But
right.
this one we used to have for our pitha.
Okay. So we came all the way to drink this Assam tea.
Exactly.
That too within this earthen pot or cup.
Right.
আমার নাগাল্যান্ডের মাথা টাঙ্গুরে
So this is rasagula.
That is actually, one is rasgulla, other one is lalmohon.
লালমোহন
Other one, the white one is rasagula. And then
লালমোহন
okay.
the standard Indian name is কি বলি কয় লালমোহন গোলাপ জামুন
Gulab jam.
but
Okay.
but Assamese people used to tell this is lalmohon
Lal Mohan in Assam.
Assam lalmohon
But in other places you call it gulab jam.
gulab jamun
Oh, fine. We're going to take some pakoda.
yeah Pakoda will pack and they have this.
We'll pack it and we'll take it from the car. So right behind us it's a temple.
yeah it's temple.
It's a temple, right? Yeah. Tea is something special, right? Okay.
ডিগিটো এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ লেতেৰা হোৱা নাই তাতে থৈ দিওঁ নেকি ইছা হা ডিগিটো এতিয়ালৈকে একো বস্তু আমি বেয়া কৰা নাই
Yeah. Actually, we did not sit inside the hotel, the restaurant, because it's very crowded. It's highly crowded. So we just came out and found this place. Okay.
really then we had some pakoda also
Yeah. We're also having pakoda.
pakoda is also nice
Yeah, pakoda along with this tea, Assam tea. We came here specifically to drink this particular organic tea.
So he has been to all the places in Liverpool.
All right.
hospital and
Yeah, referral hospital and all, right?
Everywhere he is gone.
তাৰ মানে বোকাজান মাৰ্কেটটো আপোনাৰ একদম সৰু আছিল আগতে এই ষ্টেচন মাৰ্কেটটো যিকোনো বস্তুৰ কাৰণে আপুনি ডিমাপুৰ যাবই লাগে আজিকালি নগলেও হৈ যায় সব বস্তু পোৱা যায় আৰু ডিমাপুৰতে
ইয়াতে কিমান দিন হ'ল আপোনাৰ দোকান?
ইয়াতে মোৰ দোকান দিন হ'ল ছাৰ আপোনাৰ 2001ৰ পৰা
So you have come till Chennai. Chennai, but Kerala you haven't come.
Not.
No. Okay.
आप दुर्गापुर में रहते हैं ना?
Yeah, Dimapur job.
टीचिंग है?
Teaching job.
कौन सा स्कूल में?
College में. हाँ. University. हाँ. इधर में weekend outing. We are just having outing. हाँ, इधर घूमने के लिए आएगा. हाँ. Anyway, thank you.
Yes, okay.
Okay, right. See you. Yeah, now we have come to the end of this trip. So we have with us, you introduce yourself.
I'm Dev. Hello, I'm Dev. I am doing electronics and communication engineering in Tejpur University.
So he also joined us, So we are having a family trip actually. He belongs to Sir Rubanga's family. You are the first son, right?
Yes.
You are the first son, and he's such a charming guy, He has a particular eye for photography. Okay, right? We tasted this Assamese teas, right?
Yes.
Madka chai. This madka chai was nice, right? Because the taste and flavor is really different.
Yes. So here we are.
I'm actually having one more cup of tea. The same cup of tea. You see the tea?
Yes, it looks so yummy.
Yeah, it looks so yummy. Yeah.
It looks even more yummy because of the cup.
Yeah. So now, actually, by using these type of cups, you're actually saving the environment. You are actually avoiding the plastic. This is a Kerala Gadi.
Yes, from
a
Kerala.
Kerala vehicle in Nagaland. First time I am seeing. Why? How come a Kerala vehicle
appeared
here? Are they on a road trip or are they?
It is an XUV, a Mahindra
XUV here.
Right.
Sir, can you zoom the number?
Okay. Yes, it is.
Number is visible.
Number is visible. It is
Right.
KL02BA 1965.
Okay. So if that person is watching this video, they will know.
Yes, surely. City, we are back in the city.
Sure, we are back in the city.
National Highway 29 for 800 meters.
Right, we are back in the city.
And we are also getting instruction regarding road map from the Google.
Yes, right. Which we do not need anymore.
Yeah, we can switch off this map instruction.
Yes. So we are back.
Yeah, we are back.
We are just try to
head towards our houses.
Yes. We are going to reach City Tower now.
Yeah, we are going to reach
Backside
City
we have
Tower. Little bit tilt or
yes, I have tilted. You see nice decorations.
So these are like Vishal Market and
Yes.
Big Bazaar. All these things are here. So
Malls
straight.
are there.
Yeah, big malls are there.
Then you have people coming out for eating.
Yeah.
Eating out.
Right. And you can also find a KFC restaurant over there. KFC restaurant.
Yes. Right.
Straight in front of us, it's City Tower.
Yes. Okay, there seems to be some traffic.
Yeah.
So although it is Sunday.
Yeah, right. And KFC is open, sir. KFC is open.
Right, that side, far right.
Yeah, far right. So, bye.
Okay.